Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to insert SD card into your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. To do that, you have to simply grab a microSD card and insert it in here. So here we have the microSD card reader, and if you insert your microSD card this way and slightly push it inside until it clicks, your device will start reading data from it, and you'll be able to find it in your file explorer as a separate drive. And to eject it, you simply have to push it slightly inside and it will jump right out. After that, you'll be able to eject it easily. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.